Hey guys, we're finishing up our Duck Nasties, some of our Duck Nasties this weekend. It's our $40 call that we offer here at New Era. I've said before, I use and I recommend an acrylic single reed call. The quality on an acrylic tone board is unmatched. The durability of an acrylic call is unmatched compared to wood and poly. And it's just going to last longer. However, with our Duck Nasties, I think our Duck Nasty, with the versatility of a stone board, is going to match or rival some of the acrylic calls that are on the market right now. We got a guy in Illinois right now who wants an open water call, or a call opened up to a double reed, and this can do it right here. With this tone board not opened up at all, trim the reed a little shorter, you can get a little higher end on it. Got another double reed here. You can set these up a little longer reed, a little reed length, and set them up for Timbersaw. We're doing them now in chartreuse. Before I just had some acrylic chartreuse colors. I got these now in poly. Great hold. We've got some red swirl that we've got done. I'm not sure if you can see that very well in the video, but all these calls are coming out excellent. Give us a call, 309-338-2177. We're getting a slew of messages on Facebook. Just shoot us a PM on Facebook. We'll get you hooked up with the Duck Nasties, our $40 poly from New Era calls. There's no sense of having 4 or 5 calls in your lanyard. You're only going to use 1 or 2. So we think this is, versatility-wise, it's one of our best tone boards. One of the best I've heard from a poly. For $40, can't go wrong with it. Give us a shout, 309-338-2177. Do your damage.